Are you trying to build your own DIY woodworking project but don't know how much it will cost you and what to build exactly and how to build it? If the answer is yes, then I have a free presentation to show you how you can save money on your next woodworking project, what to do, how to build it, and the right measurements. Click the link to the left or below the video to get access now to your free presentation on how to save money on your next woodworking project. Save time, know exactly what to do to build, and how to build it so you can build something amazing today. For the most part, you would have spent hundreds of dollars or even more on woodworking projects. It will take you a lot longer than you thought, or you might have quit because you got all the measurements wrong. I understand your pain because I was once in your shoes. What if I told you that you can get the job done cheaper, faster, and without headaches using my woodworking plans? Here's the big problem. Most plans in woodworking magazines are complete garbage. Why? They skip over important parts, their diagrams are confusing, unclear, or even wrong. No wonder woodworking seems so hard. The truth is, I've spent a ton of time looking online and reading magazines. Most of them just left me with more questions than answers. Well, lucky for you, these problems become a blessing in disguise because I have spent the last 40 years to put together the world's most comprehensive collection of woodworking plans. What if I told you that you can get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects with already done for you plans with step-by-step blueprints that let you build stunning, professional woodworking projects easily, quickly, and hassle-free? Click the link to the left or below the video to get access now to your free presentation on how to save money on your next woodworking project, save time, knowing exactly what to build and how to build it so you can build something amazing today. If you like the free presentation through the link, then you can fast track your woodworking projects with the world's largest database of woodworking projects, 16,000 plus woodworking plans, step by step, build even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. So what makes a perfect woodworking plan? Simply put, it must be detailed enough to leave nothing to guesswork, yet simple enough for beginners. It must also contain complete instructions from start to finish. Look at these features and see why our plans are 10 times better than all mass market plans. Feature 1. Step-by-step instructions. Feature 2. Cutting and material lists. Feature 3. Detailed schematics. And Feature 4. Multiple view from all angles. And Feature 5. Suitable for beginners and pros. Click the link to the left or below the video to get access now to your free presentation on how to save money on your next woodworking project, save time knowing exactly what to build, and how to build it so you can build something amazing today. So what are you waiting for? Click the link to the left or below the video to get access now. Speed up building your woodworking DIY projects today.